How to find opportunities for improving reliability. Availability times quality times performance or speed equals the total throughput in percentage. We call this overall production efficiency instead of OEE, since it is also about operations performance. We need to analyze the plant data and performance based on the reliability and maintenance and figure out where there are opportunities. Example of opportunities to increase output or throughput. You have high breakdown rate, low reliability causing unplanned downtime. Optimize your planned downtime, for example shutdowns. Move some preventive maintenance work from stopped to on the run. Better synchronize or utilize opportunities and windows in the operation schedule. Here's an actual business case from a paper mill implementing an improved shutdown process in the EMEA region, or Europe, Middle East, and Africa. The total maintenance budget of almost $29 million. Better prioritization of work in minor outages, that's 3% of the budget. Better prioritization and risk-based work selection of the work list in the annual outage, that's 10%. Increased output of the paper machine, 3%, an additional margin of almost $6 million. So is there a clear financial value to describe reliability in your plant? So how are you going to put that value in your day-to-day operation? Typically, reliability is measured by reduction in downtime, but there are other ways to describe reliability. And we're going to talk about that a little bit later. How do you put the financial value of payback on reliability in your plant? And how is that value used on the plant floor day to day? So how are we going to develop the basis for improving reliability and the financial value of that? We need to understand the current situation, do an assessment versus best practices in reliability maintenance. Basically, what is the opportunity? That's step one. Step two, build a plan to improve that has specific actions and goals. It requires support by your management team. And step three, implement the plan, follow up on the progress, and measure how much reliability is improving. So the step four here is, of course, to do another assessment, update your plans, and continuously improving reliability.